So guys, good morning sa inyong lahat. Good morning ngayon tayong lahat. All nation. Good morning. How to plant a peanut. This is the plant of peanut. You can watch and how to comment my YouTube channels, my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channels. RDR 2024 from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Ito po ang peanut. Konti lang ito na bubuhay guys kasi bago man pa lang dito umuulan sa amin. There are 10 plots of peanuts. I planted this area. Ilang araw guys maganyan ito. This is the one plot guys. Natanam ito pa pero hindi pa ito guys natutubo. Baka sa sunod pag-ayos ng araw ito matutubo. Puli o plant na ito. Isang peanut guys. The first plot guys. The second plot guys. Mayroon peanut na kaunti guys. Nandaan ang kanyang pagtubo guys kasi bago lang dito umulan. Mamaya uulan naman dito. Ngayon nag-aambo na ng kaunti. Tingnan nyo guys yung kalawakan parang madilim. The second plot guys, a third plot guys, mayroon man po kaunting peanut. Mostly there are 10 plots of peanut. I planted a full of peanut and 10 plots of 10 plots guys, but ngayon hindi pa ito natutubo. Dandahan ang pagtubo kasi bago pa lang dito umuulan. The fourth plot guys, we have under some plant of peanuts. Bali marami-rami na ito guys ang fourth plot nga peanut na tumutubo. Ito na guys. So guys, ang fifth plot naman guys, mayroon akong bahay sa patong peanut. You can look guys and how to comment the vlog video regarding about the peanuts. This in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5. This is the 5 plots guys. We have again some plant of peanut, but patuloy-tuloy ito na nagurgo na. At ito naman 6 plot guys. Mayroon na dito ay iba tumataas na. Mabilis na ito ng matanda. Itong mga tinanim guys ng mga peanut sa 6 plot. And then guys, the 7 plots is well again a plant of peanut, but kaunti lang ito ang pagbubuhay pa lang nga guys kasi bago-bago pa tayo ditong ulan. Nakita nyo guys, the 8 plots guys, you have the peanuts. Ito guys, nabilis na tumataas. Hindi ito guys masama sila lahat. Nagrugro. Kasi yung ulan, dandahan lang guys. The 9 plots guys, some peanuts lang guys na tumutubo. Ito guys, ang peanut dito sa amin sa Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Ito guys, the last spot guys is we have the last spot is 10 plots. The some peanuts against guys nga na nagro-grow na. Ay iba hindi pa syado. But hindi pa ito guys, syado magbubuhay siya guys. Tataniman tayo itong muli guys. Thank you guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning all nation. Good morning. Welcome to the Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Welcome to my new vlogger 2024. RDL 2024. God bless you and God morning. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my Facebook account guys. RDL 2024 from Bacolod City, Negros. God bless you and good morning.